Meaning of decelerate.
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 Decelerate. The term decelerate refers to the act of reducing the speed of an object or process. Deceleration results in a slower rate of change, which could mean a reduction in velocity, acceleration, or growth. This can be achieved in various ways, such as applying brakes to a moving vehicle or reducing the rate of fuel consumption in a rocket. Decelerating can also refer to a gradual decline or slowdown in economic growth or activity. Overall, deceleration is an important concept in physics, engineering, and business, as it allows for controlled and safe adjustments to speed and growth.